Let's see, it is Saturday. You know what that means. Wakey, wakey. Oh, yeah. Let that heat run for a minute. So it is Saturday, and on Saturdays we take trash off. Let me do y'all one quick favor. So those of you who are watching on a computer, I can't put music in videos that's copywritten. But if you wanted to go look up the song by Tyler Childers right now, that's called All Yourn, Y-O-U-R-N. And if you wanted to play that from like this point forward until we get over to the farm, that would be like exactly the song that I would put right here while we're gonna drive. So I can't play it, but if you open a new tab and you play it in the background. Whoops, wasn't thinking. Back through there is for sale. So if anybody wanted to know what I wanted for Christmas this year, I wear a size 32 acres in State Line property. If only they joined the tiny house movement. Bet that piece of paper has bothered somebody this whole ride. I wasn't even paying no attention, but I guarantee you somebody, it bothered somebody. the whip antenna's hitting stuff. I forgot about it. Oh, the internet. So it's Saturday. I'm doing a little bit of cleaning. If you know what that means, it means we're gonna take trash on Saturday. Also, Cody got this cabinet thing I've got to put up at some point today, and I think the keys are in the truck, so that means I think that we are good to rock and roll. So we're gonna take the Ranger Danger today. Got some trash in there. I've also got an empty tank of gas, which means we get to stop and put fuel in the Ranger Danger.